Update. So, for those of you who recall seeing this bike with a white rear fender, I was lucky enough to find some old new stock. It's an old Preston Petty fender. Even had the sticker from it on the warranty to send back the broken fender and $1 for postage and handling, and they'll ship you out a new one. So that's cool. It's an old stock. No weather wear on it. It looked like somebody had bought it back in the day, drilled a hole in it, messed up, something along that line, and then never got used, so that was cool. Also, a new addition is I put some new old stock bars on it. Solved that problem. New old stock grips. So this bike's pretty much been redone thoroughly. Doesn't look totally like it though. New bearings, cables, engine seals in her, new cylinder bore, refinished the cylinder head, new piston rings, new full exhaust, new seat, redid the fork seals, new rear shocks, found some old parts that was missing, like the tail light. That's actually newly made, new stock, same company. Found a headlight for it. It's a 72. Couple things that are not right about the bike is these aluminum levers. They came on the 73. The steel levers came on the 72, and then the headlight, I don't think it's quite the right one. It's off of 73. The 72 had metal brackets. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. 72 model 85, number 720. It's got new petcock. I put a new petcock on it. Cleaned the tank out. Took the frame down to metal, bead blasted it, and then primed it, and then painted it. Put the Michelin, what was those 5-star cross tires on them? They really work nice. Good and sticky for this area. It is tabbed, licensed for this year. I don't know if I'll do that for next year. Lots of new rubber on the bike. New steering stops, gas tank rubbers. Put new plugs in the engine. New style wheel locks. Tire locks. Cool. I don't think I'll do much more to the bike. I think it's good like this. I have not hooked up the electrical. I have all the pieces to do it for the taillight to go on. Switch for the headlight. If I ever want to do that, I don't really see the point in doing that. But I have it. Still missing a speedometer. Got the relay, the sending unit, or whatever you want to call it, but I need the speedometer bracket and the cable for that. Missing the mirror. It might have had a horn on it. I don't remember. But I left the they have new fenders I can get. They're aluminum, but I think I just want to keep the aftermarket from the time period. I like that they have the old mutters on them. Anyway, I think she's about done.